Airtable versus Notion. Which database tool is better? If you want to explore both platforms further, links to the products were added in the description. When comparing Airtable and Notion as database tools, you're looking at two flexible systems that both let you organize information, collaborate with teams, and build custom workflows. But they come from very different design priorities. Airtable was built first and foremost as a powerful database platform with spreadsheet familiarity and robust relational capabilities, while Notion was built as a modular workspace that incorporates databases into a broader context of documents, notes, and collaborative pages. Both are excellent, but the difference in how they treat data structures, automation, integrations, and user experience should guide your choice. Airtable's core strength is its database engine. At its heart, Airtable feels like a spreadsheet that's been supercharged with true relational database features, customizable field types, linked records, and comprehensive views, grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, form, and more. You can build CRM systems, product roadmaps, inventory trackers, content calendars, event planners, issue trackers, and sophisticated workflows without writing SQL or code. Airtable's automations allow you to trigger emails, notifications, and updates based on changes in records. And its integration ecosystem connects smoothly with Slack, Salesforce, Google Workspace, and dozens of other tools, making it a powerful choice for teams that want database logic at the core of their operational stack. It's especially strong for marketing operations, product management, customer success teams, and operations groups that need structured data with collaboration and automation. Notion's database features are built into its broader modular workspace, which means databases coexist with rich documents, wikis, notes, and project pages. Notion databases support multiple views, tables, boards, calendars, lists, and relational links between databases. But the emphasis is more on contextual knowledge and flexibility than on complex data modeling. Notion excels when you want your data to live alongside documentation, meeting notes connected to project tasks, knowledge bases linked to product specs, a single workspace that combines narrative content with structured records. Many teams love Notion because it replaces multiple tools, doc editors, wikis, task lists, and basic databases with one seamless environment. It's particularly effective for small teams, startups, and knowledge workers who prioritize context and collaboration over deep database mechanics. In everyday use, Airtable feels more like a product database platform, structured, reliable, and optimized for data integrity and automation, while Notion feels like a workspace canvas that includes databases as one component among many. Airtable tends to scale more naturally as data complexity grows, while Notion scales more naturally as information complexity grows, meaning the more narrative, linked content, and cross-referencing you need, the stronger Notion becomes. So which database tool is better? If your priority is robust relational data management, automation, and database-centric workflows, Airtable usually delivers more power and scalability. If your priority is a unified workspace where data, documentation, tasks, and notes live together in one flexible environment, Notion often provides more value. The right choice depends on whether you value structured database performance or contextual workspace versatility.